everyone, this is Vish Apte. Being into an IT industry for more than 2 decades and working mostly closer to SMB customers, every now and then I hear the concept and questions around what is public cloud, what is private cloud, what is hybrid cloud. Even though that's there in the market from last couple of years, still customers aren't really differentiating the advantages and disadvantages of all these terminologies. So cloud computing basically provides you all sort of networks, servers, and those sort of things in a single click. So when you talk about private cloud, it is consolidated infrastructure for a specific organization which is not being shared by any other organizations. You get more control on your infrastructure and your compute powers. This could be hosted on your premises or any third-party data center providers. But you get more flexibility, you get more control, more scalability around that environment. When we talk about public cloud, majorly three giants comes into picture like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platforms. They provide a common public platform to use and share the network, compute, and security, and those sort of things for different organizations in terms of tenancy structure. So if you are a small organization, if you want to migrate to AWS, for example, you can share their infrastructure. So you don't have to pay for any of the hardware. You don't have to worry about the maintenance of it. Only thing what you have to worry is about migrating your application to their cloud environment and then managing that application along with the underlying data structure. So that's a bit of an advantage of moving into public cloud segment. Uh, Now the third part comes is around the hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud helps the organizations to still use your private cloud structure or using your applications on the local data centers and utilizing the compute capacity or powers provided by public cloud platforms. This way manages two aspects. One is maintaining the internal regulatory requirements and data constraints. Second, in terms of having more control around your application data and those sort of things. Most organizations like enterprise organizations, it could be government or semi-government organizations, they prefer to go with hybrid cloud where they are more restricted to maintain their data in-house, not to deploy on the public cloud. So they maintain a local data center and then use edge computing provided by the public cloud providers just to streamline and scale their applications and reach to wider audience. So this is just a quick, in a nutshell, part one of the understanding of private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. In part two of this session, I'm going to invite one of my colleagues who is an expert into cloud computing space and has helped the customers migrate their applications to public cloud and even on the hybrid cloud environment. And then he will tell us how to do that and how he has helped a lot of customers to migrate the applications and answering all those questions in terms of whether that's safe, scalable enough, do I have to pay anything extra? Does public cloud are secure enough? Do I have to worry anything which is underlying the hardware? All those questions will be answered by that person. So stay tuned for the next episode, and I'll be right back with you guys with my host uh, providing that detailed information. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Thanks. Bye-bye.